Hey guys, to fix this error, that's what you need to do here. First, you need to completely close the game that you get in error. In my case was Fortnite. So you just need to completely close it and then launcher as well. So Fortnite on Epic Games, so close launcher and the game itself. Then you need to go to File Explorer. Then you need to go to this PC, local disk, program files, x86, and then you should find two folders. First one is Easy Anti-Cheat, and another one is Easy Anti-Cheat EOS, right? So you just need to click one of them and look if there is a sys file. If you can't see a bottom of the file, you just need to press View, Show, and make sure file name extensions is selected here. And then you just need to delete sys file here and look for Easy Anti-Cheat and look if there is no file here. And then look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, then you need to look for virus and threat protection. And then you need to go to device security, and then on device security, go to core isolation details, and then make sure kernel mode, hardwarex, and force stack protection is disabled, and then restart your computer and look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, then open up Task Manager, then type name, and then type crashpad, and then look for a handler exe. If you see something along these lines, you just need to end all the tasks here and then launch the game, and your problem should be fixed as well. So yeah, that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like.